welcome back to Fun Reading Phoebe. Today we will be reading Is That an Elephant in My Fridge? Is that an elephant in my fridge? At bedtime, Fred was wide awake. He sighed, I just can't sleep. So Mummy tucked him in and said, the trick is counting sheep. But sheep, Fred thought, are boring. As he tossed and turned in bed, he closed his eyes and started. Counting elephants instead. The first one had pirate hat, an eye patch, and a sword. He was hunting around a toy box where his pirate treasure hoard. The second one had a cape on and some superhero tights. He was flying around Fred's ceiling, trying not to hit the lights. Then Fred heard lots of splashing from more elephants next door. They were sitting in the bathtub, firing bubbles at the floor. Making a swimming pool in the bathroom. Three more were on the landing doing clever circus tricks. They were balanced on the beach ball while juggling building bricks. Acrobats. One wearing a pink tutu did a spin across the floor, but she tripped on a banana peel and got wedged inside the door. Fred tried to count them, but the number grew and grew. One flew past him on her scooter. One was it one, or were there two? Elephants were everywhere. They turned the telly on. One was gobbling on ice cream, and the biscuits had all gone. Biscuits are very important. And ice cream. On the stairs, a marching band were climbing 2 by 2 when the leader lost his footing with a trumpet. Achoo! He crashed into the next one, and the house began to shake. As they rumbled and they tumbled like an elephant earthquake. Their trunks were in a tangle, legs were all waving in the air. He'd never count how many were all jumbled up in there. Enough! Cried Fred. You have to go! He opened the front door, then crashed a pair of cymbals that were lying on the floor. The elephants ignored him. They were having too much fun. Fred was out of good ideas. Then he had a sneaky one. Pack your trunks. Be quick, he said. Look over there, a mouse. The elephants skedaddled. They weren't staying in this house. Phew! Fred yawned. He closed his eyes and drifted off to sleep. Those elephants were trouble. I'll just stick with counting sheep. Oh no. Sheep coming now. Sheep, sheep, sheep. Hope you guys loved that video. If you did, smash that like button, hit the bell notification, subscribe so you can see the rest of my videos. Okay, bye!